Welcome. Thank you all so much for joining me here on my channel. I am Sharna Langlais. I'm a Reiki Master and intuitive. And today I'm going to be sharing with you all Reiki energy healing for cord clearing. So as we'll always do, starting with the eyes closed, taking some nice deep inhales and exhales. Really allowing yourself to get deeply centered in your body. So before we do any type of cord clearing exercise, 2 chakras we want to check into. The first one is your solar plexus. So you can do that by just placing your hand right on your solar plexus chakra. This is a chakra of empowerment. So just allowing yourself with that hand on your solar plexus to feel into that sense of your own personal power returning to you. Often when we are doing cord clearing, it's because things have gotten messy and muddy with other people or even events or situations in our lives. This cord clearing can be used for anything. It does not just have to be people. One of my favorite things to cord clear is actually thought processes or patterns that are no longer serving me. So when we come into our solar plexus, envisioning all of your personal power returning back to you. So often I like to envision a little retractor button on the right side of my heart, such that when I press it, all of my little cords that are out in the world, all of my vital energy comes back to me like the retractor button on a hair dryer or a vacuum cleaner. So you can press that button, feel all of your energy return back to you. Solar plexus is our power chakra, so really feeling that 100% of your personal power is present with you in the right here, right now. And then the second chakra we want to tap into before we cord clear is at the root. So bringing the hand to push down, either you sit on your hand, you can touch the back of your tailbone, or press it facing down on the low part of your pelvis. Feeling into a sense of anchoring here. So our cord clearing is always stronger when we are anchored. Any energy work we do for that matter, receiving or giving, is going to be stronger when we're anchored. So just connecting into either a grounding cord or a tree root. Double checking you're not clenching there at the lower body. So releasing especially all of the lower extremity muscles, letting those just kind of gently relax. And then you can start to settle in anywhere into your body you'd like to settle into. And then we're going to go ahead and just start by beaming some cleansing energy all around your field. And the image I'm getting of this right now is a soft, gentle rain. And as that rain comes down, as it does for anything whenever we have beautiful showers, there's a cleansing element here. So just starting by feeling some gentle cleansing coming into your field. And I'm sending this energy directly to you and clearing out the debris that's sitting in your field. And you might notice that as some tingles. You might even already start to feel a little lighter, a little brighter. If it feels possible, maybe putting a gentle smile on your face, feeling yourself kind of raising up in your vibration. And then the way I'm going to do this cord clearing is by sending the energy to you to help you unhook or remove cords from your field. We're going to send it out in front of you. Your visual will be to blow it up like a firework, and I will use Reiki energy to then clear that energy away. The reason I do this is because cord clearing is always most powerful when you are responsible for your own energy field. So you take that power back of releasing the cords that no longer belong in your field. So I'm sending some sort of global Reiki right now to the entirety of your energy body. Sending some strength to you to resolve anything that needs resolving so you can release whatever it is you're clearing cords with. This can be just sort of a global clearing, setting the intention of anything that's no longer serving you. Right now would be the time if you want to set an intention for a particular person, pattern, event, behavior, situation, past, present, future. Going ahead and setting your personal intention now for what you would like to clear cords from or with. And then I'm going to start to send into your field some energy of sort of a little unhooking instrument comes into your space. And we're going to feel collectively together, me and you, into the first cord that wants to be released. And you can take this little unhooking tool that I'm sending you. Kind of unhook that first cord from wherever it might be in your body. Send it out in front of you, blow it up like a firework, and then I'm going to go ahead and come in. I'm going to clear all that energy away. And then I'm going to find that spot where you cleared that cord from, and I'm going to go ahead and just seal that little opening up so this cord doesn't grow back. And you can do this too by pressing or placing your own fingertips on that spot if you can reach it, or you can do it in your mind's eye. And for me, it's just a little circular motion, just kind of sealing up that spot, releasing. We're going to do that again. I'm going to send that little hook instrument into your field. Taking a hold of that unhooking instrument, unhooking the next cord, sending it out in front of you, blowing it up like a firework. Letting that ash just kind of rain down where it gets neutralized by Mother Earth. I'm going to sweep that cord away, all of that energy, so it's no longer in your field. And then we're going to both go ahead and just seal that spot up. So we're going to continue to do this together, taking that unhooking instrument, unhooking the cord, sending it out in front of you, blowing it up like a firework, letting the ash return to the earth, clearing it away, and then sealing up that spot. So we're going to do this for the next few moments. I'm going to let you go ahead and take that visual over from here, and I'm going to continue clearing and sealing, clearing and sealing, making sure you are going all around your energy field. So front, back, left, right, top, bottom, making sure you've touched every spot where there might be a cord, unhooking it, sending it out, blowing it up, clearing, and then sealing. Starting already to feel lighter, already to feel brighter. There are tears that come up around this. That's wonderful. Crying is a way that we release energy. So when we're letting go of things that we've been attached to, there's often grief associated with that release. So allowing that as best you can. Remembering to breathe. And do a few more here. Hopefully things are feeling cleaner, clearer. This is sort of like pruning a shrub or plant, right? We leave the healthy cords in. This is the way I practice. So healthy cords benefit us, but we clear out the ones that no longer are. And I am just kind of floating my hands through the field, making sure there aren't any residual pieces that are sticking around. And then we're going to use that rain image again when you're complete, just showering all around your field. And just letting that rain clear away anything that's not needed. Double checking now all around your body that every little spot you've moved a cord out of is nice and sealed up. This is good energy hygiene. We don't want any leakage. And also, cords tend to grow back just through living in life. So you can come back to this meditation, do this Reiki healing anytime you'd like. And then we are going to shield up to complete. So white light shield all around, or filter if that's a better idea for you. Positive, loving, healing energy can come in. Anything that is not that bounces off, returns to the earth. Dark purple, dark green. And if you have personal guides and angels, protectors, a nice time to call those in, beings without bodies, always of the light. Asking them to just help you to stay nice and clean and clear. Taking a deep breath, maybe connecting into the solar plexus and the root one more time, feeling light, feeling bright, feeling in charge and empowered in your own space. Thank you all so much for sharing this Reiki energy healing with me. Sending lots of love and brightest blessings.